Hi sis, good evening. I just want to greet you a happy 50th birthday. And I hope na masaya ka. I know na super ang saya mo ngayon. I thank the Lord for your life na naging kaibigan kita for how many years. And syempre up to now maging friend pa rin tayo at sorry hindi man tayo lagi nagkakausap, but I know deep in our hearts our memories remains, diba? We'll cherish forever and we'll treasure it from day one since na nagkakilala tayo. High school life, I know na dami nating pinagsamahan, dami nating pinagdaanan, and until now nandito pa rin, ito pa rin na usap pa rin tayo, nagkakamustahan sometimes, and I wish you all the best. Alam ko na masaya ka at alam kong fulfilled na ang lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay. At tandaan mo na andito lang ako at mahal na mahal kita. Alam mo yan, since na nagkakilala tayo, ang lahat ng iyon ay nandito sa puso ko at sa isip ko. Stay pretty, stay humble, and stay as sweet as you are. And I love you so much, so much. Thank you, and I hope to see you soon. God bless. Love you sis. Love you. Mwah, 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 chup, chup. Bye.